Storytelling is a great strategy to use in the classroom. Students love listening to stories, and this goes for all grades. I teach fifth grade, and my students are the oldest in the building, and they absolutely love when I tell them a story or read a story aloud. Storytelling teaches life lessons and values. So, why is this so important as a way to communicate? We learn so many skills from storytelling. For example, it enhances verbal proficiency and improves listening skills, which are the two most important components in effective communication. Storytelling can be used in all academic areas, not just limited to ELA time, but to science, social studies, and mathematics as well.